Now we're going into the Eisenhower Rec Center. Now we're going into the Eisenhower Rec Center. Now this is a very unique rec center. It is dedicated to the military, and everything that's in here was given by residents of the villages. Check this out. Now this is like a mini museum, and everything that is in here, again, was donated by villages residents, even people's Purple Hearts. Now these are things that, you know, family members maybe didn't want anymore. You know, maybe they passed away and the kids didn't know what to do with it. So they donated it here so that everyone can take pleasure in knowing that people here in the villages, that there are heroes here among us. They even have things here that some museums don't have, like an original flag captured at Iwo Jima. Now, of course, everything is themed through the military, even the chairs that you sit in. That is awesome. Now here's something you don't see in a normal 55 plus community. This is a very rare, elaborate 13-star flag banner from the 1876 centennial that was in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And of course, if you're into patches, this is the place to be. Oh my goodness, look at all these. And if you're a pin collector, especially military pin collector, you're gonna go nuts in here. This place continues to amaze me. Now this is an antique 13-star Betsy Ross flag that was used again in the 1876 centennial. They even have on an open display, while it's protected by glass, but an open display of an extremely rare Grand Union flag, which was actually the first flag that was flown over the colonies. Absolutely, again, incredible. If you ever come to the villages, you gotta come to the Eisenhower. And of course, inside they do have restrooms if you need them. And don't forget to walk in because there's even more memorabilia right inside. And the theming in here, of course, is very ornate, very tasteful, very well done, very respectful. Again, I don't normally show restrooms, but this is nice. And going into the female bathroom, and no, I'm not going to go inside, but going in there, they honor the females who have honored us throughout the years in the military. This is really amazing. I know I said that before, but this is amazing. Even the pillows are themed. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.
Bye, guys.